You can make a very nice living winning only half of your trades. A 50% win ratio is more than enough for you to earn an income month after month that you can easily live from. The single most common question I get from somebody that is interested in becoming an Ultra Blue Forex member is, what is the win rate of your trading system? Now, that by itself is a hugely loaded question because it depends on a ton of different variables. And I think I will make a separate video about that because there are so many things to look at. But what it comes down to is they're overlooking the fact that you don't need to have a high ratio win rate in order to be successful. There's two different things that you want to consider that will increase the amount of money that you make. It will decrease the amount you lose. And I'll show you both of those things. So let's get started with this. We'll just get rid of what's on the chart. And I'm going to clean this chart up a little bit. We've got the three different moving averages and dots. Now, when we're looking at an entry, what we're looking for is the market to trend. We're looking for a pullback. So we have the trend up. We're looking for the market to move away from the averages, pull back into the averages, and then we're looking for a signal to go long in an uptrend. And we see a few instances of that. We get a signal to go long right in here. We get a signal to go long in here. We get another one to go long in here. And let's take a look at how this would play out. Let's say we are only winning half of our trades, which means we're losing half of our trades. So every trade we take, we have a winner, and then we have a loser. Then we have a winner, and then we have a loser. And it goes back and forth. Sometimes we win 2 or 3 in a row. Sometimes we lose 2 or 3 in a row. But ultimately, you can end up making money. Now, there's 3 components to the Holy Trinity. And one of these components is having a win rate that is better than 50%, but you don't need to have that. That one can stay at 50% or even a little bit lower, and you can still make money as long as one of the other 2 things are in order or are intact. So let's take a look at those 2 things. When you've got a signal, the first thing you want to do is target more than 1-to-1. That is the first part of making more money than you lose. Generally, we like to go for a 2-to-1 kind of trade. So we've got a trade in here. This would be a signal to go long. We've got a 2-to-1 trade in this. This one, it works out very nicely. So we are up 2 trades essentially. If we're risking a certain amount, let's say we're risking $100 on the trade. If we have 2-to-1, we're going to win $200. If we're winning half of our trades and losing half of our trades, the wins are going to be twice as much as the losses. So for every win, we can have 2 losses and still stay at break even. So that was really straightforward. Aim for more than 1-to-1. And the second thing is to manage the trade as it goes so you reduce the risk on your trade. We're risking $100 on this trade. Now, as this trade does continue, we want to reduce that risk as much as we can. Now, the dots on my chart are a really good way to do this. We're going to start with a stop loss, and let's grab the template for that. I've got my stop loss tool. As this trade progresses, we are going to move our stop loss from where it's placed originally towards the entry. So as this candle closes, we can see that the dots are starting to move up and towards the entry. So I'm going to take my stop loss and move it under that dot. Let's increase the size of these dots just a little bit so we can see them better for the video. So we'll start with this. We'll go 2 and 2. All right. Now we get the next candle closes. And this one opens, so we can move our stop loss a little bit closer to our entry. And as this trade progresses, we're going to manage our stop loss along those dots. Now, not every time are we going to be able to get to break even. That would be great if we could do it. But as long as you can reduce the risk, even 10%. So instead of losing $100 on the trade, we are going to lose $90 on the trade. So I think you can see where this is going. If we take the sample trades, let's say all of our trades are based the same way. We're going to risk $100 on each of our trades. What we want to do is end up with trades that win $110, $120, $200 would be ideal. So we're going to win more than what the risk is. And the second part of that is to manage the trade so we lose less than what the risk is. So again, if we're risking $100, we want to lose $90 or lose $80 or $50, or if at all possible, lose $0 because the trade is at break even. So if we break this down and we take a look at 20 trades, for example, we win half and we lose half. So let's say there was no trade management at all. We lose 10 trades at $100 each. So we lose $1,000, but we win 10 trades at $200 each. So we win $2,000. when you do the math after all of that, we're up $2,000 with the wins and we're down $1,000 with the losses. We are ahead by $1,000. Now, if we could take that one step further and reduce the risk on every trade by half, that cuts the loss in half. So we're up $2,000, but we're down only $500, meaning that after 20 trades, losing 10 and winning 10, we are still up $1,500. This is a really key component to making money in trading, whether it's the Forex or the cryptos or whatever you're trading. If your target is more than your initial risk, and I like to start with a 2-to-1 target, but it doesn't have to be that much. It could be a little bit less. And you can manage the trade to reduce the risk on your trade. You put both of those two concepts together, you are going to have a money-making machine. And if you can add the third one in there, where your win-loss ratio is more than 50%, if your win-loss ratio is more like 60% or 70%, you are using the Holy Trinity. You are using as close to the Holy Grail as there is in trading. Don't worry too much about the win-loss ratio. Don't worry about your losses. They are going to happen no matter what they tell you. We want to skew certain elements of our trading into our favor. This is like cheating. We are going to aim for a little bit more than 1-to-1. We are going to reduce the loss so we lose a little bit less than 1-to-1. And we're going to try to get a little bit better than 50%. But if we can't get better than a 50% win ratio, do not worry about that. It is not going to be detrimental to your trading. As long as you are implementing your greater than 1-to-1 targets and managing your trades, reducing the risk on your trade as it goes. This is one of the simplest formulas to making money, but so few people know about this. So few people take advantage of this. And if you know this and you can apply this to your trading, losing trades will not become as stressful as it used to be, because you know that even if you lose half of your trades, you are still going to end up way ahead. And over time, as your account grows, that is going to give you a nice, livable monthly salary. If you like this video, please give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed, I plan on giving you more and more videos like this. So subscribe so you don't miss any more videos from me. And if I don't see you in the Ultra Blue Forex members area, I will see you in the next video.